Welcome to part 2 of our iPhone tips and tricks series. If you're joining us for the first time, let me quickly catch you up. In part 1, we explored 10 super useful iPhone tips and tricks ranging from features that help you make the most out of your iPhone, from hidden functionalities to productivity boosting hacks. Now, in part 2, we are taking it a step further. We'll dive into even more clever tips that will enhance your iPhone experience, improve your daily tasks, and help you unlock its full potential. Let's get started. Imagine you are in a cafe and you love the song playing in the background. You don't have to go searching for it anywhere. It's easier to identify a song than ever before on your iPhone, like this. Just say, "Hey Siri, what is this song?" Siri will identify the song with a link to open it in the Apple Music. Just tapping on it will show me the whole album, where I can save it to my library as well. Do you need some soothing sounds to help you relax or focus, or you forgot to carry your baby's white noise machine while traveling? Don't worry, your iPhone can double as a portable white noise machine. Here's how you set it up. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio, Visual, Background Sounds. Toggle on Background Sounds. Tap Sound and choose from options like Rain, Stream, Ocean, Balanced Noise, Bright Noise, or Dark Noise. Go back and adjust volume according to your liking. You can also create a shortcut for easy and quick access to. Go to Settings, Accessibility Shortcut, select Background Sound. Now, whenever you need the white noise, just triple click the side button to turn it on or off. This feature works while you watch videos or listen to music as well, and it's perfect for blocking distractions, helping you sleep, or boosting concentration. Did you know you can control your iPhone with just your voice? Scroll down, swipe up, go back, zoom in, all just with your voice. This is an accessibility feature, but you can use it if you are unable to perform the touch actions for any reason. Let me show you. To enable voice control, go to Settings, Accessibility, Voice Control, and turn it on. There is an option here to open voice control tutorial, which will help you walk through the steps on how to use it. Once done, you can explore all the options that are available to perform through your voice. There are basic navigation features, basic gestures, text editing, and more. If you want something more customized, you can even set your own phrase to listen to and your own custom action or gesture to run when phrase is said. You can pretty much control your whole phone with just your voice. Definitely give it a try. Those were some amazing accessibility features. Now let's move on. I've mentioned this before. I'm very terrible at remembering dates. I always end up missing birthdays or other important occasions. That's why the schedule message feature is an absolute lifesaver. With iOS 18, you can schedule a message to be sent at a particular date and time. Here's how it works. Open your Messages app, draft your message as usual, tap the plus icon, select Send Later, and pick the date and time. And that's it. Your message is scheduled to go out, so you will never forget to text again. Ever wanted to share a specific part of a podcast you're listening to? It's super easy on your iPhone. Simply open the podcast app and select the episode. When you reach the point you want to share, pause the episode, tap the Share Episode option, followed by From Start. This will set a timestamp from where you pause the podcast. Choose your preferred sharing method and you're all set. You can also share using a transcript. Go to Now Playing View and tap the Transcribe button. Highlight the text of the part you want to share it by touching and holding it. Tap Share by clicking here in the menu. Send the exact moment to your friends for perfect context. Did you know that you can record phone calls natively on iPhone and even get transcripts for them? Recording phone calls on iPhone is now easier with Notes app. Open the phone app and start a call. Tap the call recording button in the top left corner. Siri will notify everyone on the call that it's being recorded. Tap the stop button or hang up to end the recording. A notification will confirm that the recording has been saved to the Notes app. Open Notes and tap View Saved Calls to listen. With iOS 18, did you know that your iPhone can automatically live transcribe any audio for you? This is an incredibly useful feature for students or professionals who record lectures and audio snippets for future use. Let me show you how it works. I'm in the Notes app I've opened a new note. To record an audio directly into this note, I tap on attach icon and select record audio. Here I can record audio as I'm speaking, which will be saved to my notes app. Not just that, you can see this transcribe icon at the bottom left. If I tap on it, I can see the iPhone is transcribing my text as I am speaking. Super cool, right? When I stop the recording, both the transcription and the audio will be saved to this note. I can even search for a specific part of audio, like searching a text file. Apple's new password app makes managing your digital security easier than ever before. This is a new app installed as part of iOS 18. The best part is you don't even have to open the app. Whenever you enter your ID and password on a new website or app, it's automatically saved to Passwords app. The next time you try to log into the same website, the Passwords app will autofill the login ID and passwords for you. You can view all your saved passwords, edit them, and manage them in the app itself. Plus, it helps generate strong passwords, alerts you to weak ones, and lets you share credentials securely. To make the most out of this, just make sure your Apple devices are updated to the latest software. It'll replace a lot of paid password managers out there. I've made a whole video on Passwords app, which you can check it out in the description below. Have you been in a situation where you want to share your Wi-Fi password with a guest but don't want to reveal the actual password? The Passwords app makes it simple to access and share your Wi-Fi details with a QR code. Go to Passwords app on your iPhone, then tap Wi-Fi. If you're connected to a network, you can ask your guest to scan the QR code and join the network without knowing the password. It's a quick and secure way to manage and share your Wi-Fi passwords. Okay. Last 4 features are going to be quick and easy. Use distraction controls in Safari. If you're tired of those annoying ads or clutters on web pages, Safari's distraction control features lets you hide distracting elements while you're browsing. Tap the menu button, then tap Hide Distracting Elements. Select the items you want to hide and tap to hide. You can do this for multiple items. Tap Done when you're finished. Your web page will look so much cleaner now. Did you know that your iPhone's calculator app can convert units and currencies on the go? Simply open the app, tap the calculator mode button. You can select Convert, choose the units or currencies you want to convert, and swipe through categories like speed, time, or weight to find the right one. Enter a value in both fields and the conversion happens instantly. You can also use in math notes. Just write something like 50 meters in feet in notes, and then the conversion will appear right there. It's a fast and easy way to convert without leaving the app. Plus, it integrates with Apple Notes for seamless note-taking. The Journal app on your iPhone makes it easy to start journaling. It's like a built-in digital diary. You can open the auto-install Journals app. Simply tap the Compose button to create a new entry, add photos, videos, audios, or even your mood. But since this is an Apple native app integrated with other iOS apps, Journal will auto-suggest to add an entry based on your photos you have taken, songs you have listened to, and places you have traveled. The app helps you reflect on your experience with insights like writing streaks and quick search feature to find past entries. You can also lock your journal with Face ID, Touch ID, or just passcode to keep it private. It's a simple, secure way to keep track of your thoughts and memories. Oh, one last tip. With iOS 18, Apple now allows you to customize your lock screen controls, making it more suited to your needs. You can easily change or remove the flashlight and camera button and add controls that you actually use. To make changes, open Settings, tap Wallpaper, then select Customize under your lock screen. Here you will see the flashlight and camera icons. Simply tap the minus to remove them or tap the plus to add another control. You can even choose an app to open directly from the lock screen. Just tap Open App, select an app, and you're good to go. This small tweak can make your lock screen more functional and personal, allowing quick access to the tools that matter most to you. And there you have it. 25 powerful iPhone tips and tricks that will help you elevate your iPhone experience to the next level. Whether you're streamlining your workflow, enhancing privacy, or adding a bit of fun to your device, there is so much more to discover. Now that you have unlocked these features, go ahead and experiment with them to see how they can work well for you. Don't forget to share your favorite tips with your friends and families so they can also get the most out of their iPhones too. Thanks for tuning in. Like this video if it was useful. Also subscribe to the channel for more tech related content. See you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.